Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm here with the Shirogorov Dmitry Sinkevich design collaboration Kami Flipper here with me for a quick maintenance video because probably this guy needs a little bit of cleanup. Let's just check out how to take this guy apart, because this is a little bit different, because as you can see, this comes with the proprietary screws. That's why you're gonna need a tool, which is like a pen tool in this case, which comes with this kind of bit. But the point is that there's no issues for the bit to work with the pivot, which is going to be this one, and it's fine. But there is a little bit of clearance issue. I mean, you can still do it, but you see this guy goes here. You might risk, just like too tight, you might risk to scratch this guy. So in this case, I'm just going to use another tool like that, which it lets this bit a little bit more exposed. Therefore, I can tackle this this set of screws like a little bit easier, right? So let's see, this guy goes here. Yeah, that's the right one. So let's just do it and just go really slow and trying not to touch the side of the clip. Also, these screws have been anodized blue, so I just want to be extremely gentle during this process. I don't want to mar anything up. I don't want to scratch anything. So that is one, and this is the right one. Let's do like that. Looking at this side is the left, and that's the second one. Like so. Very nice. Happy to see there's no Loctite in these. And that is it. Look at the beauty of these screws, guys. Fantastic. So that's going to be, looking at that, is going to be on that side. And then we can just swap the bit and use the bigger one for the pivot. Again, just be really careful, take your time, there's no rush, you don't have to go anywhere, you just have to enjoy the disassembly of this knife. And just check this dual tone. I mean, this screw is just fantastic, gorgeous. So we are done here, and let's just pop the blade very gently, just take your time. Let's just pull the scale out like so, and you can appreciate the intense skeletonization that is going on with this guy over here. This clip is just pure genius. It's just a fantastic one. Look at this. Deep carry pocket clip, reversible, screws are gonna be hidden. Just ingenious, crazy, beautiful design. That's your blade. And that's your Kami Flipper on the inside. You've got Sinkevich design, you've got the number, and then you've got Shirogorov logo on this side, MRBS over here. It's just beautiful. Really cool honeycomb kind of thing affair going on. And let's just clean it up. So I'm just gonna use this microfiber cloth, a little bit of rubbing alcohol. I'm just going to pop the pin right over here, and yeah, it needed some you see the Mickey Mouse and lollipop arrangement of bearings. That's pretty cool. Let's see if I can just pop this guy out like that. Maybe we can use some tweezers. Yeah, it's gonna be nice and easy. And I'm just gonna clean it first like so. Oh yeah, that's very nice. Yeah, you see balls are coming out, so that's a good sign. It means we are cleaning. But I just want to do it a little bit more. So I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of alcohol, like so. So we're gonna have enough for the next one. And I just want to soak it in and make sure that's done and clean like that. That's very good. Make sure you don't leave anything. And that is the second one. There was some thick grease going on over here. I'm noticing this it's like a trend in the Shiro. Of course, don't be, scared. It's just grease. And they tend to Loctite, not with the red, but they Loctite pretty strongly the pivots lately. And that is it, right? So let's just clean the track here. On the inside, like so, like thoroughly. Very, very good. And that is done. Just also clean on the outside. Cool. Let's do the second scale right over here, around the pivot, inside the track, to remove the thick grease, which is gone. Clean the detent. You can also clean this side. So that is also done. And let's see, let's do the pivot here, which is gorgeous, by the way. And let's do this side and here. Very, very beautiful, like deep, like shallow track for the bearings. And we are in business, guys. So let's do this. So we're gonna start from this side, okay? And then I'm just gonna do this, and that is it. And then I'm just gonna do a little bit of 3 drops of that, and then just turn this guy around. And then I'm in with the stop pin right here, and then we are in with the with the blade. Then you know what, I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna take advantage of that situation, take the Shirogorov tweezers, but you see they do like that, so they tend to stick. So you just take like some kind of like needle kind of thing, and then you just pop those little balls into their place like so, one by one. Take your time, no rush, enjoy the process, put some nice music in the background, and boom, you are in business. Get your nano oil going, 1, 2 and 3, you're gonna be pretty much good to go. Oops, you don't want to do this. Yeah, you see, you don't want to do this, because then, yeah, you have to deal with one ball, which is Rebel. Wants to escape, you see. It's not gonna happen. And that's back into the spot, so that's good. That's in the socket. We just need to do a little bit of a heavier weight nano oil here, just a little smudge on the detent ball, and guys, we are in business. So now I'm just gonna do this, so to secure the bearings in place. Just gonna pop the pivot screw back. Make sure you have the right tool, just in, and just a little bit. We're gonna fine tune this in a second. I'm not gonna use any Loctite here because the pivot is spinning, so you know what I mean. So this guy can actually be in the closed position, don't mind. pop the spacer in. So it's gonna be a matter of aligning, you see, the scale. So just leave it like that, rotate the bit, and this guy is gonna go on this side as we decided. So this is gonna be like that, and just gently you want to make its way into the scale. So just like a little bit to the end. We're gonna tighten this guy later in a second, and let's just do this here, and let's make this guy go inside the scale. Really clever solution. I wish there was a little bit more clearance. You see what I'm talking about? It's tight, but if you are like, you see, it gets tight, and yeah, it gets up to there, so you have to angle a little bit, and I'm just going really slow here, and angle a little bit on this side. So that's that should be okay. So let's check for blade centering. There's still blade play here. So we're gonna, let's just do, there's no clip play. Let's make sure, yeah, a little bit more here, and that's perfect. We're gonna switch this around, and we're gonna finally tune the pivot. Oh yeah, it was a little bit loose. This is probably over tightened. Let's just have this grease and the oil just spread together. Yeah, this is definitely too tight. Just do a little bit back like so. Blade looks pretty good. And yes, we are in business. There's no play. Guys, this is like, yeah, this is back in business. This is scary. I mean, this is fast. Probably it's the fastest knife I have. Really, really cool action, super smooth, like extremely lightweight, very good, guys. Oh yeah, oh my god, beautiful, beautiful action. Shirogorov Sinkevich design Kami flipper in the house, perfectly tuned. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching again, and stay tuned.